In this video, I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how to fix Way2Go card declining. So if you currently have this problem, then what you're going to do is to check the balance on your card by going into this site right here. So you can see or you can also use the Way2Go card mobile app to check your balance, or you can also call the Way2Go program customer service line at this number right here, as you can see. And if the funds on your card are currently below the amount that you're trying to spend, then unfortunately your card will decline. So make sure that you double check the balance, and if the balance is actually more than you're trying to spend and still your card is being declined, then I would suggest to you to just call them at this number right here, and they will be able to resolve this issue for you. So right now, if there's like basically two reasons that your card is declined: either there's a bug within the Way2Go system and you need to call them to be able to fix this, or your balance is currently lower than what you're trying to spend, basically. So I hope it makes sense, and I hope this video is going to be able to help you to fix this issue.